Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking versions and permissions. Make sure Planswift supports import and your Excel is XLSX. Once done, close both apps so connectors initialize cleanly. Open Excel briefly to confirm macro settings and remove external links. This prevents errors. Save a copy named clearly for the project. Then launch Planswift and create or open the target plan. You need an active plan to receive data. Finally, keep both file paths simple to avoid path length issues when you begin mapping. Once in Planswift, choose Import Excel and point to your saved file. That launches the import wizard. You then map each Excel column to Planswift fields, for example description to item name, quantity to count, unit price to cost. Make sure numeric columns are set as numbers, text columns as strings, and dates where applicable. Preview the first 10-20 rows to spot mismatches. If formats look right, proceed with a test import into a sample layer so you can verify placement without altering the main plan. You finish by running the full import into the selected plan layer and then validating totals, counts, and units. Compare a few sample items to the source Excel. If something went wrong, stop and check the mapping. Reopen the import wizard, correct field assignments, and rerun the sample preview. Often the issue is hidden characters or number formatted as text in Excel. Fix those and resave. If Planswift still rejects rows, export the error log, correct the source, and repeat the import. That resolves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.